Before we begin, we just want to take a brief moment to introduce ourselves and this course in general. The AROV organization was created by a group of teachers and entrepreneurs to assist people in achieving their dreams, the life goals that we all envision and set for ourselves, but far too often fall short of achieving. It's easy in life to fall into a groove. You get a job, you get married. Next thing you know, decades have passed, and as great a life as you may have lived, you may have never accomplished that one thing you always dreamed of. Now, we don't believe in regrets. We don't believe in limitations. We believe people can, in one form or another, accomplish anything they wish to, and we work with people to do just that. Our video series is intended to offer some useful fundamentals for some of the more common goals that our students set for themselves. Now, you're here because you must have some sort of ambition that requires you to start something. And if that's your dream, if that's your goal, then we are huge supporters of following through on it and making it happen. So with that said, and without any further ado, let's get started. Welcome to your future. Amen.